Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a vlog. I'm just hanging out with my family. Here's my sister Tatiana, and yeah, you should go follow the Burns Family Vlogs. Yeah, I just ate my snow cone. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll get to you later, I guess. I just got to the beach and it's so pretty outside. Here's my sister. No, okay. Here is.
Yeah, so follow my YouTube
okay, there's
channel,
a car
my
coming.
sister's YouTube channel.
And yeah, it's so pretty outside. Look at the sun set and the sunrise.
We're at the North Shore Beach.
Yeah. And here is King.
What's up?
Okay, guys, I'll get back to you when I show you the water. Got my slides on. Yeet. Woo! And the sand feels good on my toesies. And yeah, here's my family. And isn't it so pretty? It really is. So yeah, I'll get back to you when I'm even closer. So yeah. What is up? So I just got back from the pool and the beach. Sorry I couldn't film because my phone died, but since this video is short, I feel like I should put a night routine in. So I'm gonna have my night routine in this video. And yeah, let's get to it. So what I usually do when I listen to music on Pandora, and I have a sound bot, and you can take it in the shower. It's waterproof. And yeah. So let's get to my night routine. You gotta take a shower because you have to. Okay, let's get to it. Hey guys, what's up? Sorry for the shower noise in the background. I'm cleaning the shower right now to get like all the dirt and stuff, so it's like running, you know? And now let's get to my face. So what I have here is the Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Deep Cleaning Face Wash. Winds you down, washes away daily buildup with sea minerals and sea kelp extract. It's 8 fluid ounces. Sorry, hold this right here. No, it's just gonna have to be there. Oh, it's on. Okay. So what you need to do first is wet your face, because that's gonna be harder when your face is like dry. So give it about 2 pumps. It's really clear, so I guess that's why it says Clean and Clear. Oh, I just got in my eye. Just go with it there. Whoa. I think I got it off on my face, but I really don't know. Yeah, okay. So next thing is to get the dirt off my face, because you don't need dirty face, you know. Okay, and I'm using the same thing I used in my morning routine. Astringent, compared to Clean and Clear, sensitive skin, deep cleaning, astringent, deep cleaning, and for sensitive skin, not really sensitive skin. Okay. So, you're gonna wipe our face off.
and it will, like, I recommend getting this, but like if you have a lot of dirt on your face, it's gonna sting a lot. Like it's gonna sting. Well, it's not like bad, but it's not gonna hurt, but you're gonna notice that it's stinging. Okay, we're gonna use one more. Not that I have a lot of dirt on my face, just because you know, you want to make sure that it's all off. Like I said, don't use too much. Yep, it got all off. So I do recommend always using two, because if nothing comes on the second one, you know you got off and you don't have that much dirt. But hopefully my sister doesn't get mad at me. No, we're gonna use her alcohol. Because it just makes your face cleaner and it's stronger than the Astringent. So we're gonna see if I have any dirt on my face that the Astringent didn't get whatsoever. And you don't use too much. Yep, I got it all off. Actually, I can't tell. Yep, it's all off. So, in advance, thank you for letting me use your alcohol. Now, I feel like I have like twin, like sister telepathy. So, I'm gonna ask my sister, and let's see if she replies in my brain. If I can use her Sephora cucumber one wipe, and let's see what she says. Yeah, she said yes. I got it in my brain, so we're just gonna be using one wipe. And thank you to my sister for letting me use this. I would use her thing, but you know we don't want to use all of her stuff. But I used one wipe. And thank you to my sister. I'll probably do another face mask video with her, because I did have a face mask video with her, but it was so glitchy and the quality was so bad that I just decided to take it down. Yeah, so my face is nice and clean. Yeah, I'm probably trying to film one with her tomorrow night or tonight. Probably tomorrow night, because my brother is sleeping in our room. So, yeah, everything is off my face. Thank you, Tatiana, for letting me use your stuff. The Clean and Clear and the Astringent is mine, though. But yeah, so thank you for letting me use your stuff. Make sure to go subscribe to her YouTube channel, Tatiana Burns. And yeah, that's that. So put the sound off there, put the cleaning stuff there, and let's go. So her face is nice and it's shining, you know, like there's like stars, and so you can't have a dry face, so you know. Oh yes, and it just really helps with moisture. And I recommend keeping this on for, oh my god, what the heck? Why am I red? Okay, well, what the heck? That's actually so good. And your face is gonna look oily, but it will sink in, I guess. So yeah, look how oily my face looks. I don't want this video to be too long. I was gonna film me eating noodles, but you know, nobody really wants to see that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to go like, subscribe, and comment. And I love you guys. Here's my brother. Okay. Bye.